Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rajesh, and today we are going to talk about the definition of research and how research help us in gaining new insights to some problem. If you talk about the research, it can be called a search of knowledge. In a simple word, if we say what do you mean by a research, this can be called a search for knowledge. Some of the definitions describe the definition of a research is like a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for any new facts in any branch of knowledge. Some of the definitions given by famous scholars like Redman and Morey, they define research as an effort to gain new knowledge. The best definition, I believe, is given by Clifford Woody, and they define research as defining and redefining problems. It includes formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions. It do collect, organize, and evaluate data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, and at last carefully testing the conclusion to determine whether they fit the hypothesis. If you go by the objectives of research, we can connect the objectives with the types of research. If you talk about the exploratory research, this means to gain familiarity with the phenomenon or to achieve new insights into it. If you talk about descriptive research, to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation, or a group. Talk about diagnostic research, to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. For this, we use the diagnostic research. And at last, hypothesis testing research. It is used to test uh, the causal relationship between various variables. Now, this is called the hypothesis testing. So, in this slide, we have discussed the definition of research, and we have also discussed the objectives, keeping in mind the different types of research we have in the RM. Thank you very much.